And today we're going to be finding the unknown measures of area and perimeter. So don't open your books yet. You're going to try to solve this problem and be prepared to explain how you solved it. Tanisha is painting a mural in the shape of a rectangle. The mural covers an area of 54 square feet. The base of the mural measures 9 feet. What is the height? Okay, they have given us information of 54 square feet. So I know that the area, it says area is 54 square feet. I know that the area is 54. They've given me the base as well. So I now have to think of what the area is, and it's base times height. That is the formula for area. So now I can plug in 54, and I know my base. So I think 54 times what gives me 9 times what gives me 54. So n is our unknown number. So I know that 9 times 6 is 54. I can also do 54 divided by 9. So the value of n is... So now we're looking at our next example. And we are being asked to find... Gary is building an outdoor pen in the shape of a rectangle for his dog. He will use 24 meters of fencing. The pen will be 3 meters wide. How long will the pen be? So I have to think, are they asking me to find area or perimeter? Since I'm asking to being asked to find the distance around something, that would be the perimeter. If I'm covering the surface area, that means I'm finding area. So am I being asked to find the perimeter of fencing or the grass inside? I'm being asked to find the fencing. They have given us some clues. He's going to be using 24 total meters of fencing, and it's 3 meters wide. So I know that the perimeter is going to be 24 meters, and it's 3 meters wide. So I have to go back to my formula for for perimeter, which is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So I'm given 24, and I don't know my length yet. So I'm also given the width, though. So I know that this is 2 times n. Think of the unknown number. Gives me, and that is 2 times 3 is 6. So now I have to say 24 minus 6 is 18. So I know that the total of both sides for the length is 18. So now I can divide 2 times what equals 18, or 18 divided by 2? Does it matter which one I do? No, it will give me the same answer. So I know that 2 times 9 is 18, so the value of n would be 9. So the length would be 9. Now this is a problem you're going to try with your shoulder partner. At home you're going to try this, you're going to hit pause, and you're going to attempt this. The perimeter of a square is 24 feet. Find the side length. Alright, the first thing you should have noticed in the directions is, it says the perimeter of a square is 24 feet. So that means all sides are going to be what? All sides are going to be what? Equal. That is why if you look at the equation over here, it says perimeter times 4 times s. That means 4 times the same number. Each side will be the same. So you could also do your perimeter is the side plus this side plus this side plus this side. But that is equivalent to 4 times s, correct? So I know that it is 24 feet. So if I know that the perimeter and each side is going to be the same, I could say 4 times what number gives me 24. So 4 times what equals 24, or 24 divided by 4. And that would be what? 6. So my missing number would be 6. And if I added 6 plus 6 plus 6, I would get 24. Let's try this problem on page 513. And don't forget the formula for area. Area equals base times height. What's very important is that you remember the formula for area and perimeter. And it's also very important to know, are they asking you to find the area or the perimeter? So now they're telling me that the area is 100 108 square inches. And now I have to find the height. So 9 times what is 108? So they've given me the area, 108, and they've given me the base, which is 9, and I just need to know what the height is. So I can say this, or I can do 108 divided by 9. So I can go through and I can divide if I would like. And that tells me the height is 12 square inches.